we're getting a lot of rain, and then I thought it was hailing. And then the window to my room blew in, and I figured it was a little more than hail. Lost the top of my chimney, a lot of the fascia, some shingles. Like I said, the window upstairs blew in. Other than that, I think we lost a total of 6 trees.
And the limb came off of this tree and hit the truck and damaged it. We have a big dent right here to the hood.
All of the homes are safe except for minor damage, but everybody is safe, and that's what we're thankful for.